Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Vilandra. I'm from level 6. In this video, I will show you how to make a sweet cup of coffee. The ingredients are a sachet of coffee. In here, I use Cafe coffee. And then half a spoon full cream milk and a cup of hot water. The utensils are using a spoon and a cup. Here's to make it. Firstly, take the coffee and milk, put in the cup. Secondly, put the hot water into the cup. And then stir it using a spoon. And finally, a sweet cup of coffee ready to drink. Thank you for watching and take care. Stay safe and see you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.